Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Udemy discount coupons to get the Python Complete course and Flask Framework and HTML Essentials courses at a much lower price. If you want to make your online learning more affordable, stay with us and take advantage of these great opportunities. The video is over 9 hours long and comes with a certificate of completion upon finishing the course. Things you will learn in this video: go from beginner to advanced in Python programming by learning all of the basics to object-oriented programming. Practical application: gain real-life practice through exercises and projects tailored to different Python career fields. And more. This course has over 32,000 students and a 4.5-star rating, making it one of the top-rated courses. With the discount Udemy has offered, the price has been reduced from around €20 to about €15. However, I want to offer this course to you for completely free at an exceptional price. All you need to do is open your browser, whether it's Google or any other browser, and search for gotodiscounts.com. You'll see a result like this, and then you can click on the desired link. Make sure that what you typed is exactly as shown. On the home page, there are various categories, and when we click on All Discounts, we can choose our preferred category. We select a category and click on the Search button. After clicking Search, the desired category will appear. Our desired course is also available. Simply click on the course you want. A page like this will open. Make sure to pay attention to its expiration date. Scroll down and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. The page for our desired course will open, and we can access the course completely for free without any payment. There are only 2 days left until this discount expires. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.